Well, here we go. Plan is to change the coolant liquids to Yanmar SV-15 excavator. Yeah, mine is quite beat up, but learning while doing. So this is my first excavator, which is being treated like a shit basically through its life, and this is the first springtime and I need to change the fluids for it and see where we are, since there's no service manual for it. Took a while. The engine is small but quite compact, full of stuff. But I managed to find a manual reference for the coolant. So there's a bolt underneath it, which basically needs to be opened to drain the coolant. So let's see where it is. It's underneath here, so somewhere here on the left side, as it states here on the top of the picture. All right, let's see.